In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use @channel in Slack. The @channel mention is a powerful way to reach everyone in a Slack channel at once, so it's best used for timely, important updates that truly need the whole group's attention. First, open your browser and go to app.slack.com. This takes you to Slack on the web, and the steps are the same if you prefer the desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so your message reaches the right audience. Next, select the channel where your announcement belongs and click it to open the conversation. Double check that it's the right channel. Public channels reach a broad audience, while private channels are limited to their members. Now click on the message box at the bottom of the channel. This is where you'll compose your update. A good habit is to start with a clear headline so people scanning notifications immediately understand the topic. Type @channel as part of your message. You can place it at the beginning for visibility, or within the first sentence if that reads more naturally. You'll usually see it highlighted, which indicates Slack recognizes the mention. Including @channel will notify everyone in the channel according to their personal notification settings. That means members will be alerted on desktop or mobile based on how they've configured Slack, and they'll see a badge and an unread marker in this channel. In large channels, Slack may show a reminder that you're about to reach a lot of people, which is a helpful cue to use it thoughtfully. A few quick etiquette tips to make @channel effective. Use it for urgent updates, company-wide notices, or time-sensitive changes that affect most members of the channel. Keep your message concise but complete. State what's happening, what you need from people, and any deadline or next step. Be mindful of time zones and work hours. If the timing isn't critical, consider scheduling your message for when most people are online. If the channel is private, only its members are notified. In public channels, all members are included. And note that @channel notifies everyone, while @here only alerts those who are currently active. That's all there is to it. Go to ap.slack.com, choose your channel, click into the message box, type @channel, and your update will reach the entire group. Use it sparingly, and you'll get quick, focused attention when it matters most.